am Muhammed and you are watching Little Preacher YouTube channel. Dear friends, as we have to leave home daily for some tasks, if we leave home in Sunnah way, then we will also get reward of Sunnah. So let's learn Sunnah of leaving home. First, step forward with left foot and recite dua. Bismillahi tawakkaltu ala Allah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, hil aliyyil azim. And when we have to enter home, step forward with right foot and say Assalamu alaikum loudly. And also recite Surah Al-Ikhlas and Durud Sharif. Surah Al-Ikhlas. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad, wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. And Durud Sharif. You can recite small Durud Sharif. It's not necessary to recite full Durud. So friends, let's follow the Sunnah from today and spread the holy life of our beloved Prophet Muhammed in Muslim Ummah by sharing my videos. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. We will meet soon with my new videos. Always be grateful and be happy. Fi amanillah.